everyone, so today I'll be sharing with you my ancestor recipe is called Spinach Moong Dal. So let's get started. For that I'm taking baby spinach, but feel free to take regular spinach too. So I have this washed and chopped spinach, organic spinach. I also have this ginger garlic chili. I'm just going to make a paste later on. And when you take chili, make sure it's the spicy one because we are going to try to use less red chili powder. We also need 1 cup of soaked moong dal. So now let's take a cast iron pan, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and let it heat up. Once it gets heated up, then we'll add our soaked moong dal. And now stir it properly. Now remember the water came from our soaking moong dal, so if there is any extra water, feel free to add it in. So I have around like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water along with the moong dal that I was soaking earlier. On the side we'll make a paste of ginger, garlic, chili. Try to use the fresh paste, ginger garlic chili, because that's the thing is going to make your curry super delicious, from ordinary to extraordinary. So now let's do some seasoning. Since we have our ginger garlic chili paste ready, we'll start with some salt, astafatida. Sorry, I started with astafatida, then salt. Either way it would work. Some coriander cumin powder. And some turmeric powder, and we'll add our whole ginger garlic chili paste. Remember, do not leave anything inside. You take out, scoop out as much paste as you can, whatever you have grinded, and we won't even spare the lid too. Take out any paste that is sticking on the lid too. And now take it out and stir everything. We are just going to let it cook. At this time the water has evaporated, but we'll just cook it so that all the spices are into our moong dal. This is a very important step. Do not add extra water over here, okay? So now let's just close the lid after we stir it properly. And now on the side we'll leave our water on the side, 1/4 cup of water. Now after 5 minutes you can see that our moong dal has spices coated on it. So now we'll add some water that we put it in the grinder. Remember to take out extra our ginger garlic chili paste if there is any. Now close the lid and cook it for 5 to 8 minutes. Remember, all these steps are very important, okay? Now after 5 to 8 minutes, stir everything. Now our water is very dry. As you can see, water we have added, it's all absorbed. And if you check on our dal, it's 80% cooked. It's not 100% cooked. So at this time is the right time to add our spinach, because spinach we don't need to cook it so much. Remember, otherwise it's going to turn very black. Okay, we don't want to cook spinach so much. So after we add spinach, we are going to stir everything. Make sure everything is combined. Do not add water, as I said earlier. This is each and every step. I'll let you know when to add water. But for now, we'll add some, but we'll stir everything. Make sure everything is combined. Because the spinach has its own water. So once we close the lid and combine everything, the water is going to release from our spinach. So let it cook for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, you see there's some water released from our spinach. Now stir everything. Make sure all the spices are combined. And at this time, we can add some water so that our moong dal can get cooked. Remember, our spinach doesn't take that long to cook, but our moong dal, yes, it needs some water to get cooked. Now this is the last stage, okay? Now we'll cook it until it's 100% done. Because spinach you can eat slightly bit undercooked, but our dal needs to be 100% cooked. And now when I tasted it, I felt a little less salt, so I'm going to add that salt, some amchur powder or mango powder, and some chili flakes because I ran out of red chili powder, that's why. But either way, chili flakes or red chili powder, either way would work. Just stir everything. Now our curry is ready. Of course, this curry goes very well with chapati, and on the side you can have some lilwa rice. I have shared this recipe earlier. If you want to check my playlist about rice, you will find lilwa rice. It's a very good combination, lilwa rice with spinach dal. So try that out. Now our curry is ready, and look at this, how delicious it looks. Remember, do not leave stuff longer in the cast iron, okay? Try to take out your curry from cast iron within like an hour, okay? Now you see our moong dal is completely cooked. You can see it. So this is how it should be. It should be semi-thick, the gravy. If there is slightly bit water, that's fine, okay? So now your curry is ready. I hope you enjoy my ancestor recipe, spinach moong dal. Let me know if you have any questions and concerns. Thanks for watching. Bye.